All right, guys, 3, 2, 1 here. Excuse me. This is the mystery box. 36 inches long, 12 by 12 by 12, full of rockets and some extra stuff. There is a Grail piece in here. I will give away one rocket that you are getting. Outside of that Grail that I'm not going to mention, you are getting a Estes Saturn V Skylab. That is in here, mint sealed. Everything is sealed, brand new. This is the mystery box. It's going to be going live tomorrow on the 31st. You just have to look out for it. I'm not sure what time it's going to drop, but it will be going live tomorrow for purchase. And about the Grail rocket, I cannot give it away, but it is an old kit, sealed, brand new. I don't know if I ever showed it on my site or not. It is a true classic. It is not, I'll tell you what it's not. It's not my Century Lil Joe 2. It's not that. That one never leave. That is mine. But this other one is a great one. And it probably is the price of everything that's in here. I mean, it's probably the price of what I'm letting this go for. So, yeah. So go, just keep checking. You'll see it tomorrow at some point. I'm not sure what time. It's going to be in the morning, middle of the afternoon, late afternoon. But it will be on the 31st. Tomorrow's the 31st, right? Mars. Tomorrow's the 31st?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the day's 30th. So we'll be dropping. Keep an eye out for it. These are just some random flyers I got sitting here. But here's the mystery box. It's all ready. This box weighs 10 pounds. This is 10 pounds. Like I said, it's 36 inches long, 12 by 12 by 12 height and width. But yeah. So yeah, what else did I say about this? Just some good stuff in there. All great stuff is in here. I mean, I didn't slack. Like I said, with that Grail piece alone, your eyes are going to pop out when you see that rocket, what I put in here for you guys. There is also, I'll tell you this, there is a high power kit in here that is super nice and sealed. It's high power, like kind of mid to high power. I think you can fly on G's on up. Yeah, G's on up. So that's in here and sealed. There's some good stuff in here. Then there's some low and some low, mid, and high in that one high power rocket. So some other, and plus some other goodies I threw in there for you. So be sure to keep checking tomorrow. I'm going to do a drop here soon in the community post. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos. As usual, Estes discount code IN_321. If you're new, just getting into the hobby, this box will serve you well. If you've been in the hobby, this is a good mystery box. But you got to be looking out on the website, which the link is below. It's Model Rockets 321.weebly site. So yeah, I'm gonna let you go. 3, 2, 1 here. Mystery box, July 31st. Keep an eye out. Peace.